Hey guys, I'm Shane with Renew Solutions, your hardwood floor specialist. One of the most common things that we're asked is what's the process when it comes to sanding and finishing the hardwood flooring. We're going to kind of run you through the process that we do to achieve those perfect sand and finishes. The first part of the sanding process starts with the big machine, and we use the 8-inch Hummel belt sander, and we're going to show you how that works. So we've wrapped up the big machine, and now we're going to be moving to phase 2, which is the wall line in which the big machine couldn't get. And that's about a 4-inch band around the majority of the flooring. And I'll show you that right now, and also the piece of equipment that we use to get this up. And that's the Super 7, and it's got a 7-inch sanding disc on it, and it helps us get all this right up to the baseboard. Check it out. That's the Super 7. And it'll take care of all that wall line that was left that the big machine couldn't get up against. All right, we finished the edging. So the third step in this process is scraping the corners that the edger in the big machine couldn't get. And we use a little hand scraper, and we'll kind of show you how that goes. Take a little view of these little corners. It's kind of what the machines don't get. Then we kind of have a hand scrape. These little triangles in the corners. As you see all the edging, we got all that. We got to come back and hand scrape these little corners, thresholds, things like such. And then we can do the fourth step that we're going to use. These little hand scrapers right here, little file, and we're going to get the little corners that the edger didn't get. All right, we finished up all the scraping inside the corners that the machines couldn't get, and we're going to be moving on to the next step, which is buffing out the floor before we apply the urethane and seal it. So take a look at what these floors look like with everything scraped out. Let's take a little peek. Okay, got all the corners. Door jambs too. Corners around, of course. Got the transitions. Got all the corners in this room. All the door jambs, door entries, closets. And now all these corners are scraped. Everything's been vacuumed. We'll be buffing with the Epic 6-disc Hydro Sander. We'll hit the entire floor with this buffer and then start applying the urethane. And we'll show you how that works. Okay, everything's been buffed and now vacuumed. So now with step 5, the final phase, we're going to show you how we roll on the urethane. We're going to cut it in with a 3-inch brush and we're going to roll it with a 9-inch roller. That's simple.